To update existing rates, it's very simple. You will come to the custom query, press the download form, put the parameters, and let me just clear these parameters, and then I can show you how that works. I could say from currency equal to any value that you want. In my case, I will use Canadian dollars. I could say the start date will be between, then I press that between form. Say January 1st to today. See the parameter is there. Press download. That download the data on the spreadsheet. I will make the change that I want to do. Let's say that those are the ones that I'm going to update. I go to the Application Interface Wizard menu, upload using the selected option because I'm just doing some of them. The status will change to pending. Concurrent processing, submit concurrent program. I will put the parameters here with these three dots. I will put the number there of a batch number, 9233. Say OK. Submit. Wait for my concurrent to finish. And then after it's finished, just press or refresh. You will see here the status, what happened there. If I go again and download the existing rates using this download form, also I can use the download from the sheet data. I will do both, and you can see how that works. Download form, I will keep exactly the same parameters. Download. You see that there change all the ones that I want to change. And if I want to download using the sheet data, it's simple as putting the data on the spreadsheet and then selecting the data there and say download like from the sheet, and you see there that it's a query download previous rates, and then that will download the same information. And that is how you will download data, not from the interface table, but from the actuals rates, and then update them on the spreadsheet and then submit the concurrent program to make that effective. Thank you.